Are you preparing for MDCAT 2026 and looking for important biology MCQs to practice? Then challenge yourself with these top 50 inheritance MCQs based on PMDC MDCAT syllabus. These questions will test your concept, genetics, Mendelian inheritance, blood group, and sex-linked inheritance. Pause before each question, choose your answer, and see if you can score 50 by 50. Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to Cellumistry. Hope you're all doing good. Let's start with MCQ number 1. Mendelian selected pea plant mainly because they Answer is A. Have a short life cycle and many contrasting traits. A trait that appears in the F1 generation after crossing two pure parents is called. Answer is B. Dominant. Which genotype represents a pure dominant individual? Answer is C. Capital T with capital T. A heterozygous individual possesses. Answer is C. Two different alleles. Which statement best defines phenotype? Answer is B. Physical expression of inherited trait. Mendel's law of segregation states that. Answer is B. Alleles separate during gamete formation. Which pair correctly represents a homozygous recessive genotype? Answer is C. Capital T with small t. The basic unit of inheritance is. Answer is B. A gene. A tall pea plant with genotype capital T small t is crossed with a dwarf plant small t small t. What percentage of the offspring will be dwarf? Answer is C. 50%. Which statement is crossed regarding genotype and phenotype? Answer is B. Homozygous dominant and heterozygous individuals may have the same phenotype. A test cross is performed to determine the. Answer is B. Genotype of an individual showing a dominant phenotype. A homozygous tall plant capital T is crossed with a homozygous dwarf plant small t small t. The genotype of all F1 offsprings will be. Answer is B. Capital T small t. Which ratio is expected in the F2 generation of a monohybrid cross showing complete dominance? Answer is B. 3:1. Which of the following represents a phenotype? Answer is C. Tall plant. If two heterozygous tall plant capital T cross capital T small t are crossed, the probability of obtaining a homozygous recessive offspring is. Answer is A. 25%. In a monohybrid cross, the phenotypic ratio of 3:1 is observed because. Answer is B. Dominant alleles mark recessive alleles in the heterozygote. Which statement is true about alleles? Answer is B. They are alternative form of the same gene. A plant with genotype capital T small t produces gametes containing. Answer is C. Capital T and small t in equal proportion. Which of the following is an example of recessive trait in Mendel's pea plants? Answer is C. Wrinkled seed. Two heterozygous individuals are crossed. What is the probability of producing a heterozygous offspring? Answer is B. 50%. Mendel's law of independent assortment is applicable when genes are located on. Answer is B. Different chromosomes or assort independently. A dihybrid cross between two heterozygous parents, capital R small r capital Y small y cross with capital R small r capital Y small y produces an F2 phenotypic ratio of. Answer is C. 9:3:3:1. How many different types of gametes can be produced by an individual with genotype capital A small a capital B small b? Answer is C, 4. Which genotype can produce only one type of gamete? Answer is C, capital A with capital B, capital B. A plant with genotype capital A small a capital B small b is test crossed. Which genotype represents the tester? Answer is C, small a small a small b small b. The phenotypic ratio of a test cross involving a dihybrid individual capital A small a capital B small b into small a small a small b is. Answer is C, 1:1:1:1. Which statement best describes incomplete dominance? Answer is C. The heterozygote shows intermediate phenotype. In a botanical lab, crossing a red flower with a white flower produces pink flowers in the F1 generation. This is an example of. Answer is C. Incomplete dominance. Which blood group genotype results in blood group AB? Answer is C. IA, IB. In the ABO blood group system, the alleles IA and IB exhibit. Answer is C, codominance. Which blood group is called the universal recipient? Answer is C, blood group AB. Which blood group is called the universal donor? Answer is D, blood group O. An individual with a genotype capital IA small I has the blood group. Answer is A, blood group A. If a father has blood group AB and the mother has blood group O, which blood group cannot occur in the offspring? Answer is C, AB. A man with blood group A marries a woman with blood group B. Which blood group is possible in the children? Answer is D, blood group A, B, AB and O. Which of the following disorders is sex-linked? Answer is A, color blindness. Color blindness is caused by a gene present on the. Answer is B, X chromosome. A colorblind father and a normal homozygous mother will produce sons that are. Answer is B, all normal. Which individual can be carrier of color blindness without showing the disease? Answer is C, heterozygous female. Why are sex-linked disorders more common in males? Answer is B. Males have only one X chromosome, so a recessive allele is expressed. A normal woman who is a carrier for color blindness marries a normal man. What is the probability of having a color blind son? Answer is A, 25%. In a pedigree chart, a half-shaded circle represents a. Answer is B, carrier female. If both parents are heterozygous capital A small a cross capital A small a, what is the probability that their child will be homozygous? Answer is B, 50%. A trait appears in every generation and affected individuals usually have an affected parent. This pattern is the characteristic of. Answer is A, dominant inheritance. Two normal parents produce a child with a recessive genetic disorder. Which statement is most likely correct? Answer is C. Both parents are heterozygous carriers. Which statement correctly distinguishes genotype from phenotype? Answer is C. Individuals with same phenotype may have different genotype. A cross between capital A small a capital B small p with a cross capital A small a capital B small b produces how many different genotypes in offspring? Answer is B, 9. In humans, which blood group genotype contains one dominant and one recessive allele? Answer is C. Capital I, capital A with small I. Which statement best supports Mendel's law of segregation? Answer is A. Alleles separate during gamete formation, so each gamete receives only one allele. A dihybrid cross produces an offspring showing both recessive traits. The probability of obtaining such an offspring is. Answer is C, 1 by 16. Well done, you have completed top 50 inheritance MCQs. Comment your score out of 50. If you found this practice helpful, like, share and subscribe to Cellumistry for more MDCAT biology MCQs. Keep practicing, keep revising and keep improving your concepts. See you in the next video which will be about bioenergetics MCQs. Until then, Allah Hafiz.